Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And guess what today is? Today is French Friday. Just kidding. I'm running out of things to tell you what day it is because of the ketchup part, because of the pun on ketchup. What am I talking about? If you're new, I'm sorry. You're just like really getting confused. But today is ketchup day, not ketchup that you put on your French fries. Ketchup is in we need to catch up to those people in front of us because sometimes at the Stamps of Life, we have extras of things. And like Ken will clean the warehouse, he'll find something, which happens more than you'd think. We just like sometimes things just happen. And so these items, once they're gone, except the first two items, but once the other items are gone, they're gone forever. So just a heads up. Now, this is an item that I took on HSN, like 8 years ago, I think. So you might not have this if you're new to Stamps of Life. But look at how cute these little Pudgies are. This is our turkey and our Scarecrow Pudgies. I have lots to show you, lots of samples. Yes, of course, there's dies that match, but they are so adorable. So make sure you check those out. They are on flash sale. Also, we are re-releasing, Ken found a box that has not very many of these, but enough we could put them on the website. This is our Jungle online class. Now, we already did the online class, so you don't get, when you purchase this, you do not get the live version because we already did it, but you get the recorded version. You get to watch it 1 billion times if you want to. You can watch it as many times as you want. Also included in the cost of the class is a couple fun things. Number one, you're getting all of these cute little baby jungle animals. I know, isn't it adorable? Then you're getting the dies for the baby jungle animals and the fun palm leaf. And you're getting the words, hello, friend. And you're getting this big die right here. And you're going, Stephanie, what is that? I don't get it. Check this out. Check this out. It's a vertical stage card for oops, that one kind of popped off. A2 in size. So it fits in a standard envelope. But look at how dang cute that is. And it's a stage. Look, you're going to learn how to make this in the class if you purchase this. A2 in size when folded. I have lots more samples to show you on this one. Also, for a limited time, we have some extra twine bundles that Ken put together. So this is going to be called our Christmas twine. There's lots of colors in here. There's brown and white, there's green and white, there's red, white, and green. There is another different green and white and a red and white, and it looks like a black. Now, let's look at all of our samples because we do have tons. Now, these, I'll be honest with you. Okay, so I'll try to tell you if it's from the class. But look how cute this is. These are some ideas the design team made for you. Oh, this I think this one might be in the class. Maybe not, but look how cute that is. Go wild. Isn't that cute? This one is in the class, so I'll probably, you can go to the class and get that one. Here's another cute one. Oh my goodness, that stage card is adorable. And it comes with that fun fern or palm leaf, which is really very intricate, which I love. Now let's look at, and that's a class, and you get to watch it as many times as you want. Our classes are usually about 2 hours in length. Now, let's look at some of the fun Pudgies. So this is the one that I took on HSN 100 years ago. Here we go. Open that up. Look how cute that is. Thankful for you. This die is on our website. This is called the Pocket Slider die. Love that one. Here is a cute one. A step card. Love that. Isn't that adorable? So adorable. Here's a cute one. Oh my goodness. Look at this. On a scalloped edge circle. So beautiful. Or on a flip it because hello, why not? Oh, that one doesn't. Hang on. There we go. Well, it's got a wobble on it, so it's kind of getting stuck. There we go. Woo! Isn't that cute? Then we have, a box card. Look how fun that is. A shadow box card. I love it. That's a 5x7 version. And, a regular box card. Look how cute these are, you guys. Let's open that up. These haven't been opened in literally years. I can't not even tell you how many years. We keep them in storage until we need them, but look how gorgeous those are. Aren't those fun? And of course, folds flat for mailing. The twine and the ribbon, limited time. The class, the jungle animal class, limited time. Once those items are gone, they are gone forever. The Pudgies, the Scarecrow, and the cute turkey are available now also on our website. So go check them out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.